Just see this. I will comment one word on my Instagram reel from my another demo account and see what happens. Within 3 seconds, I got an automated direct message in my DM with Claude prompts link and with a call to action. I didn't even responded to that comment nor sent this message. It went automatically to my another account's DM, and this is called Instagram automation. In next 10 minutes, I am going to build this exact setup from scratch on my own Instagram account, and you will see each and every step live. So let's get into it. Firstly, all you have to do is just go to Google and type ManyChat.com. After that, as you can read here, make the most out of every conversation. So that means ManyChat is a tool which helps you to automate things. For example, any post and reels automation, story automation, lead generation, and etc. And it also works on any social media, whether it's Instagram or Facebook or any other one. If we see about pricing, then we will get a free plan here, in which we can connect up to 2 social media channels, can do up to 4 automations, and which is more than enough. Also we get another basic things in it. But we have one issue here, which is about active contacts. In free tier we will get only 25 active contacts. It means we can only interact with 25 people during this automation per month. So it's a good plan if you are just starting out or testing automations. But as per me, this essential or pro plan will be most suitable plans for us, in which we will get good number of active contacts and another benefits too. Also we have a 14 days free trial in it. But for now, let's get started with free plan and click start for free. Then they will ask us to sign up. So we'll do that. After that, this screen will pop up where they will ask to connect any channel we need. So we will choose Instagram and click connect with Meta. After that, they will ask us few questions. Who this account is for? Here I will select for myself and click next. Then they will ask how do you typically make money from this account. So you can choose any other income stream of yours. Currently for me, I will choose brand partnerships and sponsorships and click next. Then they will ask which tools are you currently using. So here I will choose OpenAI and ActiveCampaign. You can choose whatever tools you are using. And then I will click next. Then they will ask how you hear about us. So here I will just select search engine and click next, and we are done. After that, this pricing screen will pop up, which we talked about earlier. And without wasting time, let's just click this free plan and continue with free. So after that, they are asking us to pick up a popular first move. So here you can select any option as per your wish, as you want to engage with your audience. And for now, I'll select here send a link from comments, so that anyone who commented on my post or reel will get automated DM of that particular link. And here we are finally in. This is ManyChat dashboard. Here we can see everything. From here we can select any specific post or reel on which we have to do automations. On left hand side we can see a mobile screen where they are showing us our reel. But here in free plan, all we can do is we can do automations on any specific post or reel. We can't do automation on every post or reel of our Instagram page. For that we have to upgrade to paid plan. And today in this video, I'm going to build a keyword comment trigger automation. That means when someone comments a specific word or sentence, then they will get an automatic DM. Using that, we can also collect users' email and phone number automatically and generate a potential lead. So let's start building it. Firstly, we have to go back here and then click new automation. So here, they gave us options to select the automation which we have to build. So as we have to build everything from scratch, we will click start from scratch. And in that, we will click start with blank canvas. So now here we are. We can see here a Instagram trigger and a send message options. Now firstly, I will click here on new trigger, and they are giving us options to choose how we wanna do the automation. So we will choose here when someone comments on your post or reel. After that, they are asking for that particular post on which we have to do the automation. So I'll select the first one here and press continue. After that, they are asking us what will start your DM automation. So in keyword here, I will add the word Claude. Means I want this automation to fire when someone comments the word Claude. You can add any number of words here as per your wish and post. So here, type Claude here, add it and press continue. Then they are asking, would you like to set up public reply in the feed? Then here, I think we don't have to select any message here. The user will automatically get a random message from these 3 messages. So you can also add a different reply here if you want, and I'll click save. So now everything's done. Our trigger got saved here. After that, I will click send message. So here we have to add a message that will get fired automatically in their DM when someone comments on our post. So I'm going to type, hey, thanks for your interest in our AI services. Here's the quick demo of what we build. I'm not going to post here a real link as this is just a demo. And also I'll write, want a free strategy call? Reply yes and I'll book one for you. This message is short, valuable and simple and also has a call to action. Then after that we'll click set live and here we go. Our comment automation is live now. So let's test it whether it's working or not. So now I'll switch to my mobile screen. And as you can see here, I'm currently on my personal account. So now I will go to that post which we automated just now and we'll comment here Claude. Then let's go the DM section and watch the DMs carefully. We will get our message here. And there it is. Within 3 seconds we got the message from our another account automatically. And it will work every single time when someone comments on it. This is the comment automation which we built just now. Now imagine your client has a clothing brand and they posted a reel about it. And at the end they said, comment price for our catalog. So now every person who comments that particular word or sentence will get the catalog automatically in their DM within seconds. And this is how every comment becomes the lead. And every lead get followed up automatically. This system never sleeps. And it keeps working for us. Using this automation you can do affiliate marketing, email marketing, or you can sell your own product and also can do many things. Now you will ask me, how do you sell this service and who will buy this simple automation? I know this automation is simple. You know this automation is simple. But brands out there, businesses out there in your area might not know this automation. Or if they know, they might not be willing to buy the paid plan. So for them, for that type of people, there you come into the game. All you have to do is just go to any businesses having followers between 5k to 20k on the Instagram page. Whether it's a restaurant, a saloon, a clothing brand, a coach or any other business and just DM them about this automation. Keep your pitch as simple as possible. You can say, right now when someone comments on your post, nothing happens automatically. Means you have to manually reply to everyone or must having an Instagram manager. But you can automate this thing within 30 seconds. When someone comments, you will have a potential customer for your business, which can make you $10,000 extra per month. Just do message me, I will explain you in detail. After seeing this message, 10 out of 6 businesses will reply, as message will create a curiosity among them that how they will automate. And as they follow back with message, send them this. I can set up a system that automatically replies to every comment, capture their contact details and follow up with them, all without you doing anything. Here's a demo exactly how it works. Just send this message and show them a video of what we just built. That's the pitch. It's simple, it's visual and undeniable. You can set up the pricing as per your wish. But as per me, you can charge up to 10,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees for full setup. And 3,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per month to manage and optimize it. If you just got 3 clients on this service, then that's 15,000 rupees per month recurring and without even doing anything new every month. So this is the entire setup. If you found this content helpful, then please do like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials. In next video, I'm going to build a full WhatsApp AI agent that handles sales conversation automatically. So see you in next video and thanks for watching.